Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this look is especially made for Valentine's Day. I used the lovely color of red. And if you want to see more on how I achieved this look, keep watching. So I did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm jumping right into it. I used my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I swiped that over my eyes. And I blend that away. So I'm using my Prestige palette. This out of my BoxyCharm box, and I'm using the shade of Conscious. I'm just gonna swipe that right over my lid. Then I'm taking my Morphe palette and I'm using my shade Red. And I'm going to put that right in the middle. I'm going in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm using the red. Then I'm going to take black from the same palette and I'm going to just put it right in that crease just to give it a little bit more dimension before we cut our crease. Done, I'm gonna go in with my NYX eye base cream and cut my crease on both sides. I'm gonna go into my Zulu Juvia's palette and I'm going to use this soft pink, and I'm going to put that right in the corners. Then followed by this reddish pink, and I'm gonna go over it with the red just to give it a little more intense. Go back to my Brazil palette and take the red and just go over this to make it more intense red. Then I'm going to take my NYX Vivid Bright red and I'm going to follow that crease all the way through. Take my liquid glitter, red glitter, and I'm just gonna dab over this red to give it a little bit of more vibrancy. gonna do my black liquid liner. I'm gonna use my mirror, guys, so I'm gonna get close. My last choice for this is IMV Iconic Lashes 3D Angle and Volume, and I chose number 15 for this look. I'm gonna apply these off camera and I will be right back. I used these stickers in my last video. I'm actually gonna try a little different technique this time. I'm gonna take one of these opened hearts and I'm gonna place it right on both sides. My NYX Jumbo eye pencil and I'm gonna fill the heart in with white. We're gonna see how this goes, guys. Let's wish me luck. So I'm gonna keep these on while I do my foundation, my concealer, and then I'm gonna smoke under my eyes with the red. I like to do that after the concealer. It's just my preference. So I'm gonna keep these bad boys on until I'm finished with my final skin coverage. So wait on it. Sticking with my NARS foundation, this is a sheer coverage. I don't have to mix. It's a perfect color for me, so I'm gonna apply that all over my face. My concealer Tarte Shape Tape. You want to get a shade lighter than your typical concealer just to give it a little bit of highlight. Taking my Banana Deep powder and I'm setting what's under my eyes. With my MAC skin finish, and I'm going to just apply that in the areas where I didn't set. I'm going to take my Morphe contour and highlight palette and I'm going to use Fabulous, and I'm going to bronze myself up to get me just a little bit more dimension. I'm gonna go back into my Take Me Back to Brazil kit palette, and I'm gonna use red. And I'm going to put that right under the eye. These bad boys at the dollar store as well. I'm just gonna put them in the corners of my eyes just to give it a little more pizzazz, and we're gonna see how that look. I might also add some after the hearts, just I want to see how it goes for a second. Let's see. Use tweezers because I'm clumsy. I don't know if y'all clumsy, but me. And if you want them to be really sturdy, I would suggest putting like a dab of glitter primer or eyelash glue if you feel comfortable. I'm gonna move this one up to 10. I did one eye already. We're just going to add in our liner. So I'm gonna line my lips with a dark purple liner. I'm gonna put red, and then I'm gonna put a soft nude in the middle just to give it a little bit of dimension. I'm known for that. Fill it in with this L'Oreal Red, True Red lipstick. I have this lip gloss palette that I always use. I got this, I think it's BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna put this light color nude that I always use and right in the center of my lip, just to give that a little more, you know, jazz it up. So now the moment of truth. I hope this comes out good. I'm peeling these stickers off. Let's do it. And just to put the finalization on the hearts, I'm going to outline them in red. I cannot do this on camera. I'm going to do this off camera, but you just follow the pattern that you already have here and outline it, and then I'll be right back. So I want to take it a little further, and I want to add more rhinestones in between this space here. I think it'll just put the finishing touches on. And let's do it. At the dollar store, and I broke these in half. And there you have it, this sexy, fiery red look, especially made for Valentine's Day. You can't go wrong. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you want more videos like this, don't be shy of that bell. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I have a whole bunch of more looks in store. Bye guys, this is the K-Way.